Okay, good afternoon, Miss.
Afternoon, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation. I will ask about math, science, and mathematica. We can start for homework now. I will show the homework in the screen. Hmm. Where is it?
Here, approve LP homework
Oh,
and
yeah.
class.
We can start from science first. Okay, Miss, here is the question. Please answer this one.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. What happens to the diaphragm when we breathe in? It moves downward. Which two parts help us breathe in and out? Diaphragm and ribs. Can you spell? When we breathe out, what happens to the ribs? They move down and in. What does the diaphragm do when we breathe out? Relaxes and moves upward. Yes, sir. Number 5.
Oh, yeah, number 5.
What does the circulatory system carry to the body? Oxygen and nutrients. Which blood vessels carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart? It is the arteries. Which blood vessels carry oxygen-poor blood to the heart? It is veins. What type of blood vessels have very thin walls? Capillaries. A muscle that helps the lungs move air is diaphragm. Bones that protect the lungs and the heart are known as ribs. Tubes that carry blood all around the body are blood vessels. When we breathe in, the diaphragm moves breathe in downward. Our ribs move upward and outward when we inhale.
Yeah.
How does the heart pump blood? The heart pumps blood by squeezing and relaxing. It sends the blood to the body and brings back the used blood to the lungs. How is human breathing like other vertebrates? Human and other vertebrates use lungs to breathe. They use muscles to help breathe. They take the oxygen and get rid carbon dioxide. They have similar way in breathing.
Okay, I see. So this one is making a good sense. Word, right?
Words, random
Arrange the
letters.
word. Okay. Now we can move to Mathematica or math first. Math. Let's
Okay,
value.
78 divided by 100 equals to B 7800, which shows 8 and 8 and 5 tenths multiplied by 10 equals to 85. 905 multiplied by 100 equals to 30,500. 2000 divided by 100 equals to 20.
Okay, we can skip this one. I think just answer the part B.
This one.
Yeah, part B.
To add equal groups to find the total amount is multiply. To split a number into equal smaller parts is divide. To find an answer using numbers or operations is calculate. To combine parts to make a whole number is compose. 91 and 3 times divided by 100 equals to 913,000.
Question number 1.
Multiply 65 hundredths by 1000 and explain what happens to the number. Okay, the first we should multiply 65 times by 1000 and move the decimals three places to the right, and then it will get 650, sorry, 650.
650, yeah, correct. Number 2,
Okay, divide a 0.4 by 10 and write the result. It should be move move the decimals one place to the left. It should be 84 tenths.
84 tenths, yeah, correct. So, oh yeah, this one same with the.
Yeah, the puzzle, the random letters.
Which answer is it?
This one tenths, hundreds, this one thousands, this one decimals, and then multiply, divide, total, and this one calculate, regroup, and the last compose. This will be decimals. Decimals, yeah.
Okay. Now we move to matematika. Oke, ini tentang pecahan. Silakan dijawab, Miss.
1/2 kali 3/7, 3/14. Hasil perkalian 5/6 kali 6/10, 30/60 sama dengan 1/2. 1/3 kali 3/4, 4, 4/3, 12. 1. Jika 2/3 kali A sama dengan 4, nilai A adalah 2/3. Hasil dari 2/3 kali 3/4, 6/12 sama dengan 1/2. 5/6 bagi 2 sama dengan 5/6 bagi 2. So this one. 5/12.
Okay.
Ini 3/5 bagi setengah, 3 kali 2, 6/5.
Ya.
Ini 2 kali 1, 2, 3/2 kali 2/3, 1.
Oke.
6/6.
Next, nomor bagian B.
1/3, 5 kali 1, 5/6 kali 1/2. 5 kali 1, 5, 6 kali 2, 12. 5/12. Ini 3 kali 2, 6. 6/20 atau disederhanakan jadi 3/10.
Ya.
Bilangan yang menunjukkan bagian dari satu kosong itu adalah pecahan. Angka di atas garis pecahan menyatakan bagian yang diambil adalah pembilang. Panjang sebuah kain adalah 3 meter. Jika kita hanya menggunakan 7/8 dari kain itu, berapa panjang kain yang digunakan? 3 kali 7/8 sama dengan 21/8. Disederhanakan menjadi 21 bagi 8. 25/8.
25/8.
Oke, jelaskan langkah-langkah menghitung. Oke, pertama kita kita balik posisi bila pecahan kedua yaitu 2/3 menjadi 3/2, lalu kita kalikan. 4 kali 3 12, 5 kali 2 10, 12/10, atau disederhanakan jadi 1, 2/10 atau 1/5.
Oke. Lanjut ini.
Ini pecahan biasa, bilangan, angka, pecahan campuran, bilangan asli, ini setengah, ini 1/4, ini pembagian.
Oke, Miss, please continue.
Oke, ini 1/4, ini pembagian, ini perkalian, ini penjumlahan. Ini pecahan.
Okay, now we move to the book. Here we have a science that start from page 8. So what is this topic about?
Respiratory systems.
Okay, respiratory system. So please explain how is the process of our respiratory.
Okay, respiratory system or respiration is related to the inhale and exhale. We can say it like the process of gas changes in our body parts. that is lungs. The air or oxygen enters from our nostril and then goes through the trachea, and then in the lungs, in alveoli, especially in alveoli, the gas exchanges into carbon dioxide. So how do we breathe in and out? As we know, the breathing is about gas changes inside our lungs.
Yeah.
But in the lungs, there is below the lung, there is diaphragm. We call it diaphragm. Diaphragm is a muscle that help lungs move air. When we breathe in, the ribs, we call it the ribs. The ribs are the bones protect our lungs and heart inside our body. The ribs move upwards and outwards when the air enters our body. And then when inhale, and then when exhale, the ribs will move down and inwards. When the body get rid the gas, as we call the gas as carbon dioxide.
Okay, so this diaphragm and ribs helps
The
us
lungs.
to help the lungs to breathe.
Breathing.
Yeah.
To breathe.
Okay, I see.
Okay, this one breathing rate.
Breathing rate, the number of times you breathe in and out in 1 minute. Okay. So do every people has the same breathing rate?
No, when we do the exercise, our breathing rate will be faster than we just keep silent or sit down, because we need more energy when we do the exercise. So we will inhale more faster than we just sleep or sit down. Then we do nothing. So I have asked the students, but we didn't follow these activities all, only like jumping, because impossible. I asked the students to record and so walk on the spot
Yeah.
for 1 minute, and then they know that their breathing rate is faster than they only sit down.
Yeah. Okay. Now we can move to math. This math is from chapter 7. It's about multiply and divide by.
10.
Okay. Please explain this one first, Miss.
Okay, Esther sold 1,000 of the pens and 1,000 the pencil above. How much does the store owner get from selling 1,000 pens? Is it true 1,000 pens cost $800? We can see the cost of the pens and pencils. Is it true that 1,000 pencil costs $800? As we know, 100 pencil is $80. Is it 283, sir? 80, right?
Yeah, 80.
80,
It's
okay.
$80.
100 pencils, $80. So is it true 1,000 pencil is 800? To know this answer, we can divide it $800 by $80 by 100. So when we divided this, we will move the digit 1, 2. So the answer here is 0. 0. Wait a second. Okay, times 1 times 100. To know this, because multiplication and division are related,
Yeah.
because they're opposite. So this one, 100 equals $8. We can divide them. 80 divided by 100. We can also use the scheme, because this is the first 80 divided 100, because 80 cannot be divided here, so 0 point, and then put 0 here, so 0.8, or we can call it 8 tenths for
8 tenths, yeah.
formal. So 8.8 tenths divided 1,000. So how to make easier when we divide it, when we multiply the decimal by thousands, because look at 1, 2, 3, there are 3 digits. So we move 3 places, we move 3 places. So it will be $800. So 0.8 multiplied by 1000, it will be 800. So the cost of pencil is through 800. And then the cost of pen is 2.48, or we call 2 and 4900. This one, how many?
If there is 1,000 pens.
1,000 pens and one pencil, about to get 100. So no answer for pens.
Yeah.
So we can calculate, multiplied by 1,000, it will be $2,490.
Oh yeah. Multiply and divide by 10, 100 and 1,000. Math. How about this one, Miss? Question number 3.
Number
3.
Okay, for number 3, the mass of a golf ball is 45 and 93 grams. Rob says that 1,000 golf balls have a total mass of 45,093 grams. Is correct? Why do you think? Okay, we need to calculate 45 and 93 multiplied by 1,000. How many digits are there? 1, 2. So we just cross it 1, 2. So the answer is 45,130 gram. So the with this rough answer is incorrect, because 45 and 93 is different with 45,930.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we move to matematika. Ini matematika materinya tentang apa, Miss?
Pecahan.
Pecahannya.
Perkalian dan pembagian pecahan.
Pecahan campuran sudah masuk? Belum?
Belum, sir.
Masih perkalian.
Tapi di hasil dari buku, dari contoh juga ada yang menghasilkan misalnya 8 bagi 3, 8/3 itu kan bisa hasilnya campuran.
Iya. Oke, di sini ada tentang pembagian bilangan bulat dengan pecahan.
Iya.
Bisa dikerjakan, Miss, soal nomor 1.
Oke, ibu memiliki 5 kg gula.
Aduh.
Oke, ibu memiliki 5 kg gula. Gula tersebut akan dikemas ulang menjadi 1/4 kg. Berapa banyak kemasan yang dibuat ibu? Ibu mempunyai 5 kg gula dibagi 1/4. Oke, dalam hal ini kita harus mengubah pecahan kedua. Posisi pecahan kedua itu pembilang jadi penyebut, penyebut jadi pembilang, lalu kita kalikan. Jadi 5 kali 4/1 sama dengan 20. Jadi didapatkan 20 kemasan.
Oke. 5 dibagi 1/4. Berarti dapat 20 kemasan. Oke, Miss. Now we can move to summary point. I will show summary point in the screen.
This one. Where is it?
Actually, there must be one file here, right?
Not here. No, where is it? I have put inside primary.
Just like this one, the question
Yeah,
number.
teachers out.
Oh yeah, this one.
No, that's computer.
Okay, we can start from Mathematica first. Please explain the summary point of Mathematica. This one.
Kali ini tentang pecahan.
This one, right?
Ya. Oke, perkalian dua pecahan, yaitu pecahan biasa dengan pecahan biasa. Kalau perkalian, jika perkalian kita bisa langsung mengalihkan pembilang dengan pembilang, penyebut dengan penyebut. Contohnya 2/3 kali 3/4 sama dengan 2 dikali 3 sama dengan 6, 3 dikali 4 sama dengan 12, atau bisa disederhanakan sama-sama dibagi 6 menjadi 1/2. Sedangkan pembagian pecahan dengan bilangan asli, baik bilangan asli jadi pecahan, contohnya itu 3/4 dibagi 2 sama dengan, ingat kita ubah menjadi perkalian dan pecahan kedua itu dibalik menjadi pembilang menjadi penyebut, penyebut menjadi pembilang. Tapi ini 2, Miss. Oke, 2 itu sama dengan 2/1. Dalam pecahan, jika 1 kita tidak perlu ditulis jika itu penyebut. Jadi 3/4 kali 1/2 sama dengan 3/8. Ingat, pembagian dua pecahan kita harus membalik posisi pecahan kedua lalu mengalihkannya.
Okay. How about this one? Pecahan campuran.
Oke, pecahan campuran. Bentuk pecahan campuran itu A, B per C. Untuk mengalihkannya sama seperti pecahan.
This one LP20 first, right?
This
Actually,
one?
this one that need to be explained. Oh, this one is.
Oke, perkalian pecahan berarti mengalihkan bilangan dengan penyebut. Ini bilangan asli dengan pecahan biasa. Sama saja, kalau dia 2 itu artinya 2/1, tapi tidak perlu kita tulis satunya. Dikali 1/2, kita bisa langsung mengalihkan 2 kali 1, 2, dan penyebut tetap. Karena per 1, 2/1 itu sama dengan 2. 2 dikali 1 yaitu 2, berarti 2/2. Kita bisa sederhanakan 2 dibagi 2 itu 1. Jadi menyederhanakan itu tidak selalu wajib jika memang tidak bisa dibagikan. Bisa dibagikan sama-sama dibagi angka, misalnya 2, 3, dan seterusnya. Tapi jika pembilang lebih besar, maka kita bisa membagikan bilang dengan penyebut, bisa diubah ke pecahan campuran atau ke pecahan biasa. Perkalian pecahan itu menghasilkan nilai lebih kecil atau lebih besar tergantung bilangan yang kita kalikan.
Jadi di situasi seperti apa dia bisa menjadi lebih kecil, Miss?
Situasi lebih kecil misalnya 10/12. Kita bisa menyederhanakan kembali. Sederhanakan itu pasti lebih kecil. Kalau lebih besar itu tergantung bilangannya, bagaimana berapa yang kita kalikan, jika atas dikali 5, yang bawah harus kali 5.
Oh iya. Okay, Miss. Now we move to science. Okay, please explain this one, Miss.
Okay. The circulatory system is the system that moves the air inside our lungs, inside our body. Circular system moves oxygen and nutrients through all part of the body. It also removes waste like carbon dioxide from our body, from every body part. And also the circulatory system include heart, blood, and blood vessel. There are 3 blood vessels. There are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries bring the oxygen-rich blood, and then the veins bring back the poor poor blood, and also capillaries have very thin walls that connected both arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygen, I have explained, and then veins carry oxygen, poor blood to the heart. The heart is our pumping organ that pumps blood and has 2 sides. One side pumps the blood to the to the body, and then the other side will pumps the blood to whole body,
Okay.
to the lungs.
Is it to the heart or to the lungs?
To the heart.
To the heart.
But arteries to the, sorry sir, arteries will bring to the lungs, and then veins will be to the, sorry, this typo sir, not heart,
It
but
must
to
be
the lungs.
lungs, right?
I will revise.
Okay, the heart pump blood has two sides. Okay. Now we can move to math. Okay, so there's no summary point because doing the activity book, but this one,
But the activity book hasn't been read yet.
yeah,
But I will revise later.
yeah, you need to revise this one later. Please explain this one, please.
Okay, the topic is about multiply and divide by 10, 100, and 1000. Multiply by tens, it means we move digits one place left because the topic is talk about decimals. And then multiply by 100, move digits to places left because there are two zeros. And then multiply by 100, move digits 3 places left. For example, um, 8.5 multiply by 10, it means move one digit place left. So we move one digit place left before the decimal. It will be like this, but look at how many, because one digit, so it will be 85. And then divided by 10, 100, and 1000, move digits right. No need to actually multiply or divide, just shift the digit. As I said to the students, I explained the easiest way. They need to cross the zero, just count the decimal, the digit after decimal, and then cross the zero.
Okay, I see. Okay, Miss. Now we can move to our vocabulary list. Okay, Miss. We can start from Mathematica first. Matematika. Bisa dijelaskan apa itu bilangan asli?
Bilangan asli adalah bilangan yang dimulai dari 1 dan seterusnya. Bilangan asli sering digunakan sebagai nomor urutan atau banyak orang. Contoh penggunaan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari adalah nomor antrian, banyaknya orang, banyaknya siswa. Contohnya itu dari 1, 2, 3 sampai seterusnya.
Oke. Pembilang?
Pembilang adalah angka pecahan yang menunjukkan bagian yang diambil. Pembilang adalah angka yang menunjukkan suatu benda, suatu bagian yang diambil. Semakin besar pembilang, semakin besar bilangan yang dimaksud. Pembilang itu ada di atas garis pecahan. Contohnya pada pecahan 2/3, 2 adalah pembilang.
Pembagian.
Pembagian adalah proses membagi benda menjadi jumlah yang sama. Pembagian adalah membagi suatu benda hingga menjadi jumlah yang sama, atau untuk memastikan bilangan tersebut dapat dimasukkan ke bilangan yang lain. Contohnya itu 12 dibagi 4 sama dengan 3.
Okay, now move to science. What it means by circulatory?
Circulatory is the system that carry the blood to the body part. The circular system include the heart, blood, and blood vessels. It carries the oxygen and nutrients to all body parts. For example, blood flows in the circulatory system.
Okay. Heart rate?
What's that?
Heart rate. Oh, that is from 20%. Sorry, this diaphragm.
Diaphragm is a muscle that help lungs move air. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle below the lungs. It moves down when we breathe in and up when breathe out, helping move air in and out. For example, diaphragm move when you breathe.
Okay. Blood vessels?
Blood vessels are tube tube, tiny tube that tiny tubes that sense or carry the blood all around body. Blood vessels are like the roads inside your body. They include the arteries, veins, and capillaries. It brings the oxygen and remove waste like carbon dioxide. For example, the which is blood vessel. The blood flow in blood vessel. Uh, the blood
Okay.
flows in blood vessel.
The blood vessels carry oxygen. Okay, now we move to math. Calculate.
Calculate, find an answer using numbers or operation. Calculate means using math operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to solve problem or find the result. For example, 25 plus 36 equals to 61.
Oh yeah, okay. Divide.
Divide is to split a number into smaller part, easily understood. Division helps share or groups item equally. It's opposite of multiplication. It answers how many in each group or how many groups. For example, 12 divided by 4 equals to 3.
Okay, Miss. I have asked from the homework, from books, summary point, and vocabulary list. I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.